get some seeds started but run out of pots to plant them in. My name's Dominique Sparks from Balancing Rock Farm, and I'm about to show you how to make little seed raising pots from old newspapers. This is what the little pots look like, and literally all I use is a piece of newspaper and a toilet roll. It's very simple, so hopefully I can make it look simple in the video. So this is a sheet of newspaper that I've already cut quite a bit off because I've made a few pots already. Oops, sorry Scarlett. So I want it to be roughly the width of a toilet roll. So you can see that's a bit wide. That's pretty good. Now if you really score that edge well, it should tear reasonably easily. I normally leave about 2.5 centimetres overhang, and you just roll it up. Now I'm just going to push this bottom in like so. Give it a good bang so it sits straight. Then I'm just going to get a pen and tamp that down in there so that you can see no soil is going to pass through there, sitting nice and flat. And then you take your toilet roll out, and there you have your little pot. So you can see here I've started some little cauliflower seedlings in these newspaper pots, and they are holding up really well. I love these little Chinese takeaway containers. They neatly hold 6 of those little pots, and you can put water in the bottom if you want to. If they need a good soaking, you can write on the front what's in them. Perfect. So I hope you'll give these little seed pots a go. Seriously, how easy are they and how cheap? You've got to give it a go. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. I try and put out a video every week, so stay tuned.